Several reasons. One, I think that it's easy in a world where there's so much information and to kind of lose your center and to be insecure about what you have to offer, because you're constantly receiving and constantly being told this is what you need to do or this is what you need to like in many regards. So I think art is a great way to find out what's going on in you, to connect with your center and your own creativity, your own voice in a way. So that's one thing, and the fact that it's African history is important for me because that's my heritage, and I believe so little is known about Africa because empires come and go, don't they? And when an empire is no longer there or has been conquered by another one, it's not necessarily in the interest of the new empire to sort of advertise the greatness of the former one. And that's what happens, I think, that's what has happened in Africa. We often get a common story of how poor and helpless a lot of Africans are, and it's in some ways it obscures the truth of this incredible rich heritage that Africa has, and also of Africa's contribution to Western civilization. It's documented, but you have to really search for it because it's not really as readily available as a lot of the other histories. I mean, I didn't learn any African history at school, for example. I grew up in England, so I think it's important that we know, because when we know each other's stories, I think it helps us not to other each other so much. We can sort of see ourselves in each other. I think it's good for humanity.